If you want to find out the little problem I'm having with AdSense, and who knows, maybe you're having the same problem or having other problems of your own with AdSense. So if you want to find out what that is, just keep watching. Everybody, it's Mandy. For those of you who are just now joining me, thank you so much and welcome to the video. Today I am having a little problem with AdSense. Well, I've actually been dealing with this for the last 3 months. They did send my PIN number to verify my address. Just having a little bit of trouble with that. And let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and get started. Now for those of you who does not know what AdSense is, it is how YouTubers get paid. We put these commercials onto our videos and we get paid per click if somebody watches the videos, or so be it. And it is not that much money. It actually is really, really cheap. But a lot of people and a lot of forums that I've looked at, I have seen where everybody is just having problems with AdSense, whether it be getting their checks or their PIN numbers not working. There is all kinds of stuff, and there is just absolutely nobody to get a hold of through AdSense. Now, they did send my PIN number, and what this is they'll send this to your address before you even start getting paid, and you do have to meet your threshold of $100 or more. But they do send this PIN verification. This verifies your address. And then once you get this, get online and put the PIN number that they do give you. They give everybody their own PIN numbers. Once you put this PIN number in is when you can set up your checking account or however you want to get paid. I think there is a couple of different ways that you can get paid by AdSense. If you type it in 3 times incorrectly, it will actually delete your AdSense account. So I typed it in the first time and I did make sure it was the right number. I know how to read numbers. But I typed it in the first time, it said it was incorrect. Second time, incorrect. So I have yet to do it a third time. I do not want to get my AdSense account deleted. I have looked on the AdSense help forum and I have checked out a couple of other forums where people are trying to get a hold of AdSense. Nobody seems to be getting any answers for this. I know I sure haven't got any answers, and I know I have emailed everything, every AdSense help forum, every YouTube analytics help forum, everything that I can imagine. I have sent out emails and have yet to get an answer. The only answer that I did receive was somebody telling me to do it just how the steps stated, which I did not do that. But if I do it just like the steps on here, and if I do it and it comes back incorrect again, of course it's going to delete my account. So now there is a thing on there that says to resend your PIN verification. Now if you do that, I have read about it and it says if you do that, they do send you the same PIN number, so I do not see the point in doing that. But I didn't know if anybody else was having any trouble with AdSense or not. If you have, please leave it down in the comment sections, or if you've got the answer to my big question, leave it down there for me as well. And just know that I did not start a YouTube channel just to get paid. I just find this to be a little perk for doing something that you just absolutely love, and it would help a lot. Getting new equipment or whatever else you can, everything that I get from Google AdSense is going to go toward my channel. So I think it is just a little perk, and even if they didn't send any money at all, I would still be doing it because I absolutely love to do it. I love making videos. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope y'all got some answers for my questions. And if you have any trouble with Google AdSense, just let me know down in the comment section. I will do my best to do my research and try to help y'all out also. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the SelfTaught family. We would love to have you. Love you all, and I'll see you next video. Bye.